SessionFactory and session in Hibernate. Here you can see SessionFactory and session in Hibernate. SessionFactory is an interface available in org.hibernate package, which extends referenceable and serializable interface and provide factory methods to get session object. Let's see some points about this SessionFactory. SessionFactory is thread safe, so multiple threads can access SessionFactory at the same time. SessionFactory is immutable. Once we create SessionFactory, we can not modify it. If you look SessionFactory methods, we don't have any setter kind of method. SessionFactory is created at the time of application startup. It reads all information from the configurable file. Hibernate.cfg.xml file. We should have one SessionFactory for one database configuration. We can create SessionFactory object using configuration class. Here first we are creating configuration class object and call configure method. Which has two overloaded versions, one without parameter like configure method, and another one is configure string resources. If we use configure without parameters method, hibernate.cfg.xml is defined. Session is an interface available in org.hibernate package, which provide different API to communicate Java application to Hibernate. Let's see some points related to session. The session is not thread safe. The main use of the session object to perform create, get and delete operations for Java classes entity. The first level cache belongs to the session object. We can have multiple sessions for a SessionFactory. We can get session object using SessionFactory reference. As here. Here you can see configuration. You can see the code here. Configuration config equal new configuration dot configure, and configuration is connected to SessionFactory. You can see config.build SessionFactory method here to get a SessionFactory object, and SessionFactory is connected to session. You can see factory open session method to get a session here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.